In a world filled with challenges and uncertainties, the power of positive thinking stands as a beacon of hope. Each day presents us with a choice: to succumb to negativity or to rise above it with an optimistic perspective. This choice not only shapes our mindset, but also influences our path toward success and happiness. Visualize each morning as a blank canvas where you can paint your thoughts with the vibrant colors of positivity, filling it with hopes, dreams, and the determination to overcome any obstacle in your way. Positive thinking is not just a feel-good mantra. It is a transformative tool that enhances our overall well-being. Picture it as a shield that guards us against the harshness of life, allowing our spirits to soar. When we embrace positive thoughts, we cultivate resilience. Adversities become merely stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. Imagine facing a setback at work, and instead of feeling defeated, you focus on the lessons learned and the opportunities that lie ahead. This shift in perspective not only boosts personal growth but also inspires those around us, creating a ripple effect of optimism. To fully harness the power of positive thinking, it requires deliberate practice and effort. Picture yourself instilling daily rituals that nurture positivity, perhaps through affirmations or gratitude journaling. Each affirmation becomes a seed planted in the fertile ground of your mind, sprouting into confidence and self-belief. As you jot down what you are grateful for, you train your mind to recognize the beauty in everyday moments, shifting your focus from lack to abundance. Visualize these practices as building blocks that fortify your mental resilience, empowering you to face life's challenges with unwavering strength. The influence of positive thinking extends beyond personal experiences. It can transform communities and the world. Imagine a collective of individuals united in their commitment to positivity, sparking a movement that inspires change and growth. When we share uplifting thoughts and encourage one another, we create an environment where people feel valued, empowered, and driven to reach their full potential. Positive thinking becomes a powerful collective force that can ignite dreams and inspire action, lighting the way for a brighter future for all. In conclusion, the power of positive thinking is not just an individual journey. It is a communal experience that can reshape our lives. By choosing positivity, we ignite a flame of hope within ourselves and others. The next time you encounter a challenge, remember that your thoughts hold immense power. Embrace positivity, envision your goals, and watch as the world transforms around you. Together we can create a future brimming with possibilities, fueled by the strength of our positive thoughts.